Hello everyone. Right now we are going to learn how you will have your Photoshop software for you, or how you will get the Photoshop software from the official website of Photoshop. So you can see here in my screen I opened a website in my browser, and the name of the website is adobe.com. Actually, Photoshop is a software for graphics design, and this Photoshop software belongs to Adobe company. So therefore, for having the official and the original software for you, for your uses or for your learning, you have to get it from here. So let me show you how you will have your own software. So you can see here that we have creativity and design menu over here. You just have to click in here. Then you can directly click to Photoshop version, or you can just click view plan and pricing. So I'm clicking this view plans and pricing option. Then it will take you in another page. So you can see here that there are different type of softwares package are available, like Acrobat, Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Illustrator, and many more. So if you only want to use the Photoshop, in that case you have to pay $20.99 per month. That means around $21 per month. But if you want to use Photoshop and Lightroom add-ons, in that case you may have these two software add-ons for $19.99 per month, or around $20. But if you want to use all the Adobe software or Creative Cloud software add-ons, in that case you have to pay $39.99 per month. So ultimately it's around $40. So depend on your needs which part you want to use. You can choose it from here. And if you don't have the ability to buy right now, in that case you can have the free trial, because Adobe provides a 7-day free trials, as well as they will also provide 30-day free trial of Adobe stock. So as we're learning the Photoshop software, that's why I'm clicking this Photoshop buy now option. And here is the subscription fee, how you want to pay. So you just have to click the buy now, and you have to complete the process for the payment. But let me show you how you will use the free trial. So let me get back to my home page. Okay, now from here again I'm clicking that creativity and design menu, and from there I'm clicking view all Creative Cloud products. And now it's redirected me in another page, and you can see here that we have a free trial option. And before purchasing the software, you can have this free trial opportunity for 7 days. So let me click in this free trial option. So as I was saying that try the full version of Adobe apps with a 7-day free trial. So if you want to get the free trial, you can use this option, and here is the process, and here is the payments or charges for monthly and yearly. Okay, so this is how you will have the official Photoshop version from adobe.com, as well as if you don't want to buy right now, you can use a free trial for learning. So we just learned how you will use the Photoshop software officially. And one more thing I want to tell you, there are lots of crack version available on internet, but I always discourage you to use the crack version or pre-activated version, because it's not a good practice. Okay, so let's jump to our next lesson.